Right. I found out the way. As you can see them. Well, I don't know whether you can see properly, but the bolts are just there. You'll probably see what I'm talking about. What you need is you need a 10 milli. If you got a long reach one, even better. 10 mil freaking spanner goes in there, and you can undo them. Some socket has tightened them a lot, and a little bit freaking hard to get out to. Hard to get first move 1, 2 in them, but it's possible. It's possible. Oh, I'm gonna be living in the century. Oh, come on. What the hell? My God. Let me find some. Let's try 70 mils per hour. Freaking hell. Fucking tighten up like it's how I meant to come out. It's a bit shitty when you got a whole stupid fucking light. Everything is good. The struggle is real, people, and I just lost my fucking 10 mil in the bucket. What a nightmare. Come on. Fuck no. Well, this is a bitch. And this has never been changed since the factory. Slowly but surely, kind of moving. Towards where I needed to. Oh yeah. Whoa! That was a nightmare. Fucking hell. But yeah, it is a nightmare. So be prepared. It's not gonna be easy whatsoever. Nothing is fucking easy. One out. Fucking hell. Well, that was the fucking adventure to that one. Wow. Fuck's sake. Hey, success. Number 2 is out too. Fucking hell. Only took an hour. Oh, my back, my legs, my everything. Oh. So now, I need to kind of freaking pray this thing up. A little bit of screw, the rest would be the best. Yeah. How the fuck do I get it out now? Oh! So what the fuck is it doing? Here it comes. Whoop. I told you to disconnect. So what is this? And there's 10 million for the last screw nut. That. Disconnect that in. We have one start of water coming out. Yoo-hoo! Success! Success, people, there we have it. Eventually. Nice! I'm gonna show you where it lives. So, get this off the freaking stand. So it lives just there, right there. That's where the hole is for it. It lives there. The one other thing is what I don't see. What the fuck just happened? Oh! No. My legs. One other thing is what I am not seeing. I am not seeing the crankshaft sensor. Or I'm not looking in the proper place. Oh my God. Can you see that wire there? Right. down there. I believe that's it. Not there. Fucking hell. And the thing is, what I am afraid of is that if I go anywhere near that there, I am gonna either break it or God knows, but I believe that's there. Fuck that! Because I don't have a replacement, and this is Christmas now. Today is Friday, last day. Unfortunately, I am not gonna chance it, but you know where the crankshaft sensor is. That is dug in there nicely. Yeah. So basically, the crankshaft sensor ain't gonna get touched. What I am gonna be doing now is I am gonna install this new alternator. Fucking alternator, really? Starter motor. Here it is, nice and brand new. CGF car parts. So I'm gonna install this new alternator. Alternator again. Oh my god, starter motor. And then we'll proceed with the glow plugs, which are just below your intake manifold. So we'll be doing them. So yeah, I'm gonna install this thing back. It's all gonna be sped up, and we'll proceed with the glow plugs then. Right, once I'm tightening these stupid bolts on, I've thought quickly of a thing that I am doing an oil change on this as well at the same time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lift this thing up and put it on drain so it all drains, because it's been sitting here for like 2 days I think, so all the oil is gonna be on the bottom. I know it's not up to temperature, but I don't want to bring everything back up and then wait for it to drop down. So I'm gonna quickly jack this thing up and drain all the freaking oil off. What a messy piece of shit it was. Oh, fucking hell, man. Right, what I was gonna do. What am I doing? I'm gonna try and tighten all them stupid bolts back up, so wish me luck. Well, to be fair, I'm gonna actually tighten all that crap up and put everything back together because my fucking phone is on 16%. And I want you to see the rest, so yeah, I'm gonna continue without the video. I'm gonna put this on charge and then we'll proceed with the glow plugs. So I am back with a battery full of life nearly. So the starter motor is all fitted in. I've put all the pipes, the whatnot. Yes, the seal is damaged on the attachment to the block. Don't really know what it's called. Apologize, but did my best, so hopefully it doesn't leak. But if not, I'll have to come back in here anyways to do the crankshaft sensor later on date. So we'll be changing that, so I know what needs to be done. So now, what I've got left to do is I need to take all these glow plugs out and replace them with some new ones. There's some crap blown out. And I've cleaned the inlet on the engine as well. And I've changed the seals on the thingy. I did the oil filter as well. So quite a few things I'll have to do is chuck the oil in once I'm all done with this, and then start it up, and hopefully show is fine. So while I can get the glow plugs, need some spray tool. Where's my spray thing? Well, that's so just getting the spray that connect that up like that, and it comes off. Glow plugs are just there. Bloody hell. Yeah, the glow plugs are just there.
1, 2, 3, 4, so just spray them. Spray it up like that, and hopefully they come up. Come on. 1,000 let me. There's one bloody come off. What's left? What about me? Like that. Put them in here. Why not? That's good. And the last one is going to be the worst one for you. That fucking slap me handle, what a bitch. Ah! There we go. Simple.
So what it is, so I believe on the computer it was saying glow plug 1 and 2 problems, and this glow plug doesn't look healthy because it's moving inside. This one is moving. They're all moving. God knows, but we'll test them later actually. Once I get them out, I'm gonna line them out, have the came out, and I'll test them all out. So what you need is, you need a long reach 10 mil, not 10 mil. What the hell is it? Can it be 11? Or it's not long enough. I think it's not long enough. Right, I'm gonna go get another one. think because I have this little thing in the front. Yeah, it's 10 milli. Long reach 10 milli you're gonna need. So this should be cylinder number 4. Alright, slowly, no rush, no panic, because you don't want it to snap in the head, because then I'm gonna be because I'm gonna have to try and get the removal tool, which I don't have, and this car needs to be kind of done today, so gently, slowly feel the thread, how it goes out. So, but yeah, this one's nearly out. This one is nearly out. Like that. Glow plug number 1. Nice and black. So we'll see. Nice and new. Going back in. Feed them in. When you tighten them, just nip them up, make sure you don't snap them. So that's one replaced, and I've got 3 more, so let's go. So people, come along here. Come along here with us. I'll show you the glow plugs. So basically I was wrong, the first and the second. So basically this is first at the front, and then the fourth will be at the back, because due to the glow plug. So I'm going to show you why it did have the code that the glow plug activation successful or some sort of stuff like that. I can't exactly remember what it was. So basically this is glow plug 1, cylinder number 1. So it's connected, and there's nothing happening. So that's to the bin. Glow plug number 2. Glow plug number 2. Now you can see it's starting to smoke a little bit. It smoked a little bit then. Let's see. See, it's just